In this guide, I'll show you how to download and play free games from the PlayStation Store on your PS4. So from the PlayStation Store, scroll down and select Games, and then scroll down again and select Free. Now once you're here, you'll be able to see the most popular free-to-play games on this homepage, but if you scroll all the way over to the right, you'll be able to see all the free-to-play games. Now what I recommend you do is scroll down and scroll up and scroll over to sort by. And when you do this, you'll be able to sort the free-to-play games by best-selling and most downloaded to be able to find the most popular ones. So all you need to do now is select the game that you want to play. In this example, I'm going to be selecting Fortnite, and that'll bring you to the games page where you'll have the option to download the game for free. So I'm going to select download, and then it's going to automatically begin downloading on the PS4. So now if you go back to the home screen, the game should pop up, and then you just need to wait for the game to finish downloading and you'll be able to play it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.